In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now, the first thing I need to show you before we clear the RAM cache, you will go to your taskbar, then right click on your Windows icon, then go to Task Manager. Then this window for Task Manager will pop up. So you are going to go to Performance, then click on Memory. So as you can see, my cache here is 1.4 GB. A lot of space has been consumed with this cache, and this makes my computer to be very slow in performance. So I'm going to show you how to clear this RAM cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11 so that you can boost the speed of your computer. So to do that, you will need to go to your Chrome browser. Just open your Chrome browser. Then you will need to come to this site. I'm going to leave the link to this site on the video description. So you will scroll down. Then you will download RAM map. Just click on download. It will be downloaded as a zip file. So you will go to the folder where it is. Then I will enlarge that. Then you will need to extract this file. So right click on it, then extract to. When you choose extract to, it will be extracted to another new folder so that it will not confuse you. So as you can see, it has been extracted in a new folder. So you will open this folder. Then you are going to you are going to see these files here. So we are going to use this one which has a higher size here. So you are going to right click on it, then run as an administrator, then agree. So once this has appeared here, you are going to minimize this, then minimize this one. Then we will use, now I'm going to show you how this will work. We'll drag this on my left, then I will put this one on my right. As you can see, my cache is 1.2 GB. So I'm going to click on empty. Then if I click on empty standby, you are going to see the difference. The cache for this will reduce. So just check on the cache, it will reduce. So I'm going to click on empty standby. So as you can see, it has reduced to 42, to 40 and 45. And this will enable your computer to run a little bit faster. So I recommend you not to uninstall this RAM map. Just keep it in your computer, and whenever your cache is higher, and whenever your cache memory has consumed a larger part of your storage, you will be using this RAM as a way of clearing your RAM cache. And I hope this video was useful. If it was, please leave a like, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.